Yeah, so I think with regard to buildings, people don't understand the entirety of the challenge because they're looking at fragmented kinds of issues. We think of buildings sometimes only as the operational part, which is about appliances and improving the efficiency. Sometimes we are thinking about the building design or the envelope, but this is all about the holistic built-up environment, and therefore the need to look at things in a more systematic way, in a whole systems kind of thinking. So especially, I mean, I was quite interested in the approach that was taken up in the study as well, wherein the holistic systems thinking was also brought in, and looking at the role that various actors need to play in bringing together policy understanding as well as the material and the technological understanding together was brought together. So I think this is very important to address the challenge of limited awareness, limited understanding, and trying to do piecemeal solutions in going forward. So also, I think when we look at India's development goals, it's also about providing access to affordable housing in a big way. And this is crucial for not only India, but all developing countries to really be able to see this through in terms of continuing to have people live affordably. I think one of the things which came up and which struck me as being important was, are we looking at all the factors going ahead in terms of building the high-rise structures for affordable housing, and whether we should look at alternative ways of designing these, keeping in mind the affordability considerations. I think again, looking at solar rooftops, which is a big program which we are looking at, trying to look at the multiple things which may be the challenges or the pros and the cons of solar rooftops, again needs to be integrated into how much is the benefit, and whether alternative ways of looking at decentralized renewable might be a better choice as well. So I think there are several things which again point us to looking at holistic thinking, integrated thinking, and action on ground. We need to go local in terms of understanding the challenges which different regions have, which different communities have, and also what kind of local materials or local technologies might be the best choices for those particular areas, whether it is in terms of resilience or it is in terms of development or mitigation moving towards net zero.